Hey, man, we got the EZGO here with the Kawasaki EFI. You can see the check engine lights blinking. So let's see what it does. 1, 2. It does two red flashes. So let's see what it does. I'm gonna crank it up now. Let's see what it does. Don't do nothing. It just stays on red when we don't hit the gas. That's normal. Let's try it again. You can see it blinks a 2 code, and what a 2 code means is a throttle positional sensor is out of adjustment. And the reason it shows that is because we took it and sped it up to 3,360 RPMs. So we ain't paying it no mind. We're gonna keep rolling. All right, I just want to show y'all what the 1-2 light meant.